For the following melodic opening, name the key. This key signature has two sharps, which is D major or its relative minor, which would be B minor. In the first bar, we have an outline of the tonic chord of D major, which would have D, F sharp, A. There's D, F sharp, A. The E note is a passing note between chord tones of F sharp and D. D major. We have to then continue the given melodic opening to create a question phrase ending on an unstable scale degree, and then compose an answer phrase to create a contrasting period ending on a stable scale degree. The unstable scale degree will be either the second degree or the seventh degree of the scale. The second degree of D major is E, the seventh is C sharp. I'll just choose an E note, so we're ending on an unstable scale degree. We'll end this phrase with a half cadence. We'll end this piece on a stable scale degree. I suggest to use the tonic. And we'll end on the authentic cadence. Before I write the melody in the remaining bars, I analyze the opening for the suggested harmony. This would be a tonic chord for the entire duration of this bar, D, F sharp, A. In the second bar, I can see that it's most likely the subdominant chord, which would be G, B, and D. We have a G and a B note here. A would be the passing note. Half cadences end with the dominant chord. We would have to choose a chord for the third bar, and I would suggest to use a tonic chord here. Tonic and dominant will form the half cadence. I can use a similar melodic motif as in the first bar, but probably using different chord tones. So I could use an A, and F sharp, and then I can use a passing note just like here. And then I could use another chord tone, the root of the chord here. So this is our first phrase, question phrase. Now for the second phrase, which has to be a contrasting period, I would like to use most of these chords in the chord progression to maintain some unity. An authentic cadence will consist of the tonic chord at the end and a dominant chord before that. So now I have my chord progression in full. To make a contrasting phrase, I can, for example, reverse the order of these notes. So I can start from a D, have a passing note leading to an F sharp. These are the same notes, but in reverse order. Then I can write an A here as well. To make it even more contrasting, I could add a passing note here. In the second bar, I can reverse the order of these notes. So I could start with a G, have a passing note, and a B at the end. And for the last bar, the notes in this chord will be A, C sharp, E. So I can start with an A. I could possibly have a neighbor tone and going back to the chord tone. And then I could use another chord tone, which would be an E or a C sharp. Well, I'll just stick with an E. So here's our contrasting period ending on a stable scale degree.